Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to make a very special Indian Pakistani dish. This is a spinach chicken. You would have heard spinach potatoes, spinach in many things, spinach meat. Sometimes it's called saag meat, saag. But this is not saag really. Saag is a completely different dish. Let us show you how to make this very special village style spinach chicken. We've finely chopped 1 kilo of fresh spinach leaves, 1 kilo chicken. We are going to use sunflower oil. You can use any you wish. We have 2 chopped tomatoes. We have 2 tablespoons of finely crushed ginger, small cut 3 chilies, and 1 for the garnish. We have this much garlic here, which is cut into small pieces, 3 medium onions chopped fine. We have cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. We have cinnamon here, which is this sort of much put in as a whole. 2 black cardamoms, large cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of red chilies, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. We also have 1 teaspoon of salt. It can change according to your taste. Chili can also change according to your taste. And also we have black seeds, half a teaspoon. Let us show you how we're going to cook it. And this is really indeed a top tasty dish which you would eat with naan, bread. You can put it on the rice. Normally it's eaten with cooked chapatis, or you can eat with the pitta bread. You name it. Let us start. Okay, we placed half a cup of cooking oil into the pan here, cooking pot. Heat it up and then place the onions and the chopped garlic into here, and place the cinnamon piece and the black cardamoms as well in here, and keep stirring it and cook it for about 20 to 30 minutes to make them gold brown color. We're going to cover it now, and every now and then keep stirring it on a low medium heat. Okay, further 15 minutes of cooking the onions on the last stage. We're still cooking the onions, mind though. We've added ginger into it, and we will further cook for another few minutes, and then we will add the other 2 green ingredients. Okay, once we added tomatoes, ginger was cooked for 2 minutes after addition into the onions. And then we added tomatoes, which we cooked for 2 more minutes, and now we added green chilies. And this is what it looks like now. Okay, we're now going to add all these masalas that we shown you, and the peppers and the salt and the black seed. This is about 25 to 27 minutes from the initial stage, but 10 minutes after adding the tomatoes and the green chilies. Okay, we are now in 40 minutes into the progress of cooking when we added onions at the start. Once we added all those spices at the last stage, and we are 10 minutes into the stage from that. We placed the chicken into it now. You can see the onion mixture now change into the brownish color. Bear in mind, if your mixture is drying up too much, you can always add a bit of water, half a cup, to keep it moist, to keep it a little bit, not otherwise it will burn. Bear in mind here that if the chicken is very young and tender, you do not completely cook it. You add the spinach into it quite early stage. If your chicken is mature, then you will have to cook it more and before you add the spinach. We have got a baby chicken here, so we're going to put it into middle stage, sort of early middle stage of cooking. After placing the baby chicken into the onion mix brown masala, we cooked that for 10 minutes, and we now started to add the spinach. We will add the all amount of spinach at once and mix it, and then leave it cooking of covering. Keep the heat medium to low. From the stage where we added spinach into the chicken being cooked, it requires further 25 to 30 minutes of cooking on low to medium heat. Bear in mind, this spinach is not blended in any way. It was finely cut and then placed right into the chicken and being cooked. Now, if you blend the spinach, and paste sort of thing, that is not a good flavor. This is extremely good flavor. All the flavor has come out now, and even the spinach is flavorsome, the chicken is flavorsome. It is just awesome. You must try this and give us a feedback. And if you like us to make any dish, please let us know. And please like our channel and subscribe to this, and also press on the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching.